Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, appreciate it. And starting out today, I worked on lowering this rack a little bit, just because if you look at it sideways, it had a super big kink in it. If you remember, I think it was Thursday or Friday. Now it looks really nice. There was like a giant kink up there because this was higher, so it kind of went whoop whoop. So now it's just nice and straight across, gradually going up to the final height of the ceiling right there. And then I think I threw another 90 on here because we took one off to put it on the other side on Friday. But as you can see here, got this rack, finished this corner piece of the rack, and then I mounted also another strut over on the other side. But got the pipe up, got the 90s on, got everything just about right. So now we're working on mounting this gutter right here, which is just going to slam to the ceiling. And then these are the sleeves that are going to be tightened into it. These will go like this into the holes and then up in the ceiling. They're just going to be little low volt sleeves for wire going through the pipes, through the ceiling. And I mounted this other strut right here. And I did have a lot better day mounting these drop-in anchors. If you remember, on Friday or Thursday I had a really hard time doing the bigger size, but this is a smaller size. I just kept hitting it and it finally went in, and it's pretty sturdy and hasn't come out, so I pulled on it. So anyways, got that strut mounted and got that strut mounted, and then coworker helped me hang this pipe because some of the bigger ones are heavy, like I've been saying. And then mounted this little piece. That's a deep strut, and this is the thin strut, or I don't know, I forgot the name of it, but the thin strut. So I'm gonna have to get some strut nuts and tie these together. Right now it's just dangling right there, but it is strapped to it. So I'll have to do that in the morning if we get the parts for that. And yeah, I think that pretty much wraps up my day. So yeah, like I said, I was cutting the sleeves and then just working on this rack and mounting the strut to the ceiling. So I think that about wraps up my day. Yeah, and then like I said, adjusting that took forever just because there's zero room between the pipes too. Had to take a wrench, had to find a wrench, and then just like ratchet it back and forth, sort of, except it wasn't a ratchet. So that took a really long time to get that just right, but it turned out good, so that's all that matters. And yeah, so that's what we got going, and just about done here. And then I will be back on the lights tomorrow, I think. I think we'll be pulling wire through these later in the week, I assume. Like maybe, what's today, Tuesday, so maybe Wednesday or Thursday we'll be working on that. But I will be working on the lights again for the rest of the building over on this side, and then going from the ceiling here over by the drive up, whatever you want to call that. So still have to do the wire for that. And then they have changed it. Luckily I didn't do that side yet, but where I got all the wire over there, I'm gonna have to take all that down because they changed it, and I'm gonna have to run that in EMT pipe. So like this last little corner right here is gonna have to be EMT because it's gonna be exposed, because there's gonna be a deck above it, which just means, I'm assuming, just like a place to chill out, like a patio sorta. So have to do that in EMT. And then this whole side behind this column, behind that column, that's all gonna be EMT in the ceiling. So guessing that one's gonna have to come down, and then there'll probably just be boxes, pipe to box to pipe to box. So that about wraps up my day, and yeah, I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah, if you enjoyed, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Don't forget to check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, God bless, peace.